Hi, I'm Megan, a developer at NoviSystems. Today we'll be exploring some of the basic natural language processing, or NLP, features that Fusion Analytics offers. We use NLP in Fusion Analytics to give structure to unstructured text. This lets us start with a large amount of text and extract the important facts out of it. We'll start by creating a dictionary. Dictionaries are lists of words or regular expressions that we'll be matching against our unstructured data to create matches. We can then view those matches, or facts, on a dashboard and use them to filter our data down to help us answer our question. In this video, we'll be working with a publicly available dataset from Kaggle of users who have reviewed different makes and models of cars. The link to this dataset is in the description if you'd like to follow along. Here's what the raw data looks like. A few categorical or structured fields, including the type of car, and one large unstructured field where the users wrote what they thought about it. Reading through each of these reviews to figure out which car is the best isn't feasible for a human, since there are over 200,000 rows. But we can leverage Fusion Analytics NLP to read through everything and pull out important information in just a few minutes. The fastest way to create a dictionary is to go into your project and navigate to the View All link under Dictionaries. When we click New Dictionary, we'll be asked for the name we want to identify the dictionary with. Past that, we have a text box where we can input words to add to our dictionary. If we aren't sure what kind of words to put into the dictionary, say we're unfamiliar with this dataset, or like me, know nothing about cars, we can use a type of machine learning called collocation to find frequently used words in your data that have the appropriate context around them. We can create a new dictionary using collocation by navigating to the collocation section on the sidebar and selecting New Collocation. Here, we'll select our data table and unstructured text field. We'll use the default chunking regex, which scans through each sentence in the data and captures all phrases that consist of a noun followed by a verb with any amount of words before the next noun in the sentence. Our captured phrases end up being things like cat chases the brown mouse, or maybe car has some good qualities. For now, we'll leave the rest of the fields at their defaults. If you're interested to know how this works or what all the options mean, look for our future video on advanced natural language processing. In this simple use case, we're going to hit go and then wait for the task to finish. It usually takes a minute or two, so I'll jump ahead. Now that the task is finished, we can see the 3 dictionaries that contain words found in our dataset that the collocation algorithm recommends we use. Let's add all of the positive-sounding words from topic 0 into a new dictionary. When we add dictionaries from collocation, Fusion Analytics will automatically start a new search between the table you started with and your new dictionaries. To run searches on other dictionaries, we can go to Search, find our data table in the list, and then look through the matrix to get to the field and dictionary pairs we want to search on. After our search tasks are finished running, we're ready to use the dictionary matches in a dashboard to filter our data. Let's add a dictionary match widget onto our car reviews dashboard to see what our top 20 matches are. We've already got a few other widgets on this dashboard to help us visualize and filter information. For more information on dashboards and widgets, check out our Intro to Fusion Analytics or Intro to Dashboards videos. Now, let's start by figuring out what question we're trying to answer here. I think it would be neat to see which cars users said good things about and figure out if one car stands out from the rest among all this data. We're going to start by filtering on the dictionary match widget some of the positive terms users have to say about their cars. It looks like fun is the most commonly used descriptor from our dictionary, with nearly 30,000 mentions. Now, if I go to my bar graph that shows how many reviews each car received, I can see that the 2002 Toyota Spyder convertible has 35 reviews that mention the word fun, about half the reviews it has total. When I click on that bar, I can see the ratings line graph change to a single line. If I go over and unselect the fun bar, I can see all the ratings for this Toyota convertible and how huge of a spike there is between 4 and 5 stars. Seems like it might be a good car to look into if I was trying to buy a fun car. This is one example of how we can use NLP and Fusion Analytics to help us answer questions by combining structured and unstructured data. To learn more about Fusion Analytics, check us out on the web at novi.systems or view some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.